Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. Now, festive sandwiches. I'm not really a big fan of festive sandwiches, mainly because most of them, in fact nearly all of them, have cranberry sauce in, including this one I bought today, which is the Festive Turkey and Bacon Feast from Home Bargains, only $1.99. $1.99! I left work this morning, went in Home Bargains for a couple of bits, saw this and thought, yeah, I've got to give that a go. Now, I said, it's been a long time since I've had cranberry sauce, so I might like it now. You never know, and you don't know till you try. Festive Turkey and Bacon Feast on malted wheat grain bread. And it's branded Pick of the Pantry. Festive, deli. Quite like the packaging actually. That's what caught my eye really, because it's different to all the other sandwich packaging in there. As I said, I hardly ever buy pre-made sandwiches, full stop, whether it's a festive one or not, because I'm a tight git and I like making my own at home because it's much cheaper. But yeah, let's give this one a go. And it says, I think it says the same thing on the back that it says on the front. Turkey and bacon with pork stuffing and cranberry sauce on malted wheat grain bread. And there's a huge list of ingredients. Let's see how much. 25% turkey. That seems pretty good to me. Quite a few E numbers, spices, coriander, ginger, pepper, cranberry sauce, orange zest, all sorts of things. Bacon, 8%. Now, if you want to have a look at the ingredients, there they are, although the camera on my phone is not very good, so it probably won't focus. But if you want to have a look at that, good luck. Okay, so let's see if I actually like cranberry sauce now. Oh, by the way, the company that makes this is called On a Roll Sandwich Company. The Pantry, Barton Road, Middlesbrough, TS2 1RY. Never heard of them. Don't know about you, but right. Oh, it's in a little tray inside the bag. Look at that. A little bit of the crust broken off there, but let's get it on a plate, open it up and see what's inside. Well, we know what's inside, but how much of everything is inside, that's the important thing, isn't it? What could you use that for? Don't know, I'll wash it up anyway. Right, there's the sandwich. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Doesn't look like a huge amount of cranberry sauce, which is good, but you've got what looks like 2 slices of turkey there and some rather floppy, limp looking bacon, and oh, there is more cranberry sauce, but let's open the other one up, see if the other one looks the same, which it probably will. And that looks like, I see, there's the stuffing there. And you've got one big slice of turkey there, look at that. And some more, rather sorry for itself, bacon. Okay, let's reassemble that. And give it a taste. The Festive Turkey and Bacon Feast from Home Bargains. only £1.99. Happy Christmas. Mmm. I'll tell you what, the main taste in that first bite was the turkey, which is really, really nice. It's a really nice turkey taste. What I want to do is try and get a bit with the bacon and the cranberry sauce. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this half in half. I'll show you. Over there. Right, cut this half in half because in there you've got the bacon and the cranberry sauce. So I'm going to, and the turkey of course. So I'm going to try that all together and see what it's like. Yeah, you know what? I might be a cranberry sauce convert. I really like that. The cranberry sauce doesn't overpower it. You can still actually taste the turkey. Can you taste the bacon though? I'm going to try a bit of bacon on its own because in that bite I couldn't taste the bacon. So let's just grab this little bit of bacon and see if it's got any taste. Not a lot. There's a little bit of a bacon taste there, but not a lot to be honest. So one more bite and I will deliver my final verdict. So that bit there, because that's got everything I think. I like that. On the basis of that, I might, as I said earlier, I might be a cranberry sauce convert. I've avoided products with cranberry sauce in them for the last few years, and let's face it, there's been a lot about. But that's nice. The cranberry sauce is a very mild taste, but it just adds a little bit of, obviously a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of fruitiness to it. But the main overriding taste is still the turkey. That's a really nice bit. I should have tried, let's try a bit of turkey on its own. Didn't do that, did I? There we go. That's lovely. You can definitely, it's one of those products where you can tell it's turkey and not chicken. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, I reckon for £1.99, that's a bargain. So if you like a bargain festive sandwich with a overriding turkey taste, well, that's what I'm getting anyway. You might taste it and have a completely different opinion, but yeah, if you like the sound of this, Home Bargains, £1.99. There's a close-up of what it is. I can recommend it. I don't know if I'll be trying any more festive sandwiches because most of them are considerably more expensive than this, so I probably won't, but I might at some point. I'm going to eat the rest of that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.